Good morning, Pag-ibig team. I am Rolando, your reporter for today. July 24, 2015. Time check lang po, it's already 8:30. So, it's Friday today, kaya ang ginawa naming activity ay dancing. So, from dancing talagang nagpapawis po ang kalambatin para mailabas namin yung energy namin at maging energetic kami sa pagtatawag. And update lang po, we have two remaining na endorsement, which is the 720 DPD and we have the regular accounts, yung July 2 endorsement. Sa totoo lang po, July 2 and May 7 hindi po sila nagkakalayo kasi yung July 2 po namin sobrang hirap. Para na rin siyang 720, mahirap po silang kausapin at karamihan negative. Pero well, hindi ho yun hadlang sa Kalampatim para ho ipagpatuloy at pagandahin pa ang performance po namin. So, yun lang po, that's it for today. And kita-kits po ulit mamaya hapon.